took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah. When I give you every part of me, I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh yeah.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm doing another episode from my Fall in Love with Fall series. Today I'm doing part 1 of a clean and decorate with me for fall. And I'm going to start first of all in my master bedroom and ensuite bathroom. I hope you enjoy. So guys, this is my master bedroom. I've shared it many times before and I love decorating it per season. Now all I'm going to do here guys is basically make the bed and just tidy up everywhere. Guys, you know I love my blush pink in my bedroom, but I also love the colour turquoise. And I had these Z Gallery cushions that I've had for a couple of years now, and I thought I'd bring in the matching throw and cushions and combine the two colours in my room.
Even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah.
Once I've made the bed, I'm just going to go around and tidy up everywhere, just picking up after myself, as well as going in with some alcohol wipes. And what I do is I wipe down all my mirrored furniture. Now I start by going in and removing everything off my nightstands and then taking one of those alcohol wipes and wiping over all the dust from the mirrored furniture.
Taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive.
Now once I've wiped them all down with those alcohol wipes, I like to just go in with a cloth guys and clean everything up. I'm going to start by adding these absolutely stunning gold pumpkins that I picked up last year from TK Maxx. Guys, I was so excited when I purchased these last year because there was only 2 left in the store and they happened to be the exact initials of my husband and myself. And I love how sparkly and glam they are.
I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well.
Now a handy little tip that I have for you guys is when decorating with fake flowers, just take them into your bathroom and plug in your hairdryer. What I do is I just blow all over the top of the flowers and it removes the dust and they come up like brand new. I then started on my husband's nightstand and added 2 pumpkins as well as the fake flowers.
Teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
then headed into my ensuite bathroom, guys, and what I wanted to do here is give it a blush pink makeover with some fall touches. So what I'm going to do is remove everything first of all and start with a clean slate. I started by sweeping everywhere and dusting up anything that was on the floor.
Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Now to start, first of all, I'm going to spray down with this White King bleach and go right over the tops of the sink.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
I'm then going to take some more of those alcohol wipes and wipe down the entire surface.
Forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feel.
I then went in and cleaned the entire toilet.
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Now, one of the things I love doing is I like to spray bleach all over my tiles on the floor as well as on the walls. I like that to set for a couple of minutes before I come in and wipe it all down.
Forever. Forever.
I then started on my shower screens. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I really don't like doing shower screens. Is there anyone out there that totally agrees with me? I find them tedious. I know they have to be done, but it's just something that I don't enjoy at all. I enjoy the bit at the end when it's all sparkly and clean, but not a fan of cleaning shower screens. I then took my mop and bucket and washed down the entire floors. While it was drying, I then went in and vacuumed my room.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
I then wanted to add some fall touches to my bed, so I went in with this gold mirror tray.
Do you know I'm looking?
I then added some beautiful glam coffee table books, as well as my gorgeous Z Gallery pumpkins.
Everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost
Now, I wanted to
track.
add some blush pink touches to my ensuite bathroom, so I recently picked up some new towels and a bath mat from Big W.
Carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. 'Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. 'Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it. But it's not easy, so tell me how to let
Now on my vanity, I added this beautiful pink cake stand from TK Maxx, and on top I added my apothecary jars.
Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by.
And to add some fall touches, I added this beautiful glitter pumpkin, which is from Target.
I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. Can tell me how we messed up.
Also from Target is this beautiful burgundy and pink wreath, and I took a hook and added it to the wall for it to hang. And I also have this beautiful rustic wall art, guys, which is from Spotlight.
How to carry on. How to carry on.
I was so happy once I'd finished cleaning this bathroom, guys. The scent from the bleach was absolutely beautiful. There's nothing better than walking in such a sparkling clean bathroom.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you
Guys, one of my favourite pastimes is definitely watching Clean and Decorate with Me videos on YouTube. In fact, I'd spent the evening looking over all different videos that I'm inspired by, and it motivated me to create this video for you.
Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And
I absolutely love how my bedroom turned out, guys. I love that I went with a simple approach. I use little hints of gold when it comes to my fall decor, and I love the pop of turquoise in my room. Guys, do you enjoy clean and decorate with me videos too? This is part 1 of a series of clean and decorate with me videos that I am planning to do, guys. So I've done my bedroom and my ensuite bathroom. I'm now going to move on to my living room, kitchen and dining room. So make sure you tap your notification bell and click the word always so you'll be aware next time I upload a video. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves decorating my home, and I love to share simple and inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home too.
I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh,
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed coming along and clean and decorating my home.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, and I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky.
Guys, I'd so appreciate you giving me a big thumbs up. It really helps this channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
We touch is when I really come alive. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, and I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.